Hello, my name is Cindy Kojum, and I am a business and growth coach. Mm, that's a tongue twister today. Growth coach, and I have something special to share with you. It's one of the most vital aspects of our lives, and that is communication. You see, many of us face challenges in our cherished relationships simply because we do not fully understand or grasp the communication styles of the people we care about the most. And this especially holds true for our children. But here's the thing, what if you could change that? What if you could truly understand people's behavior styles and in doing so, break down the barriers that caused angst, criticism, and hurt feelings? What if you could show up differently in tough conversations? You see, many of us face this dilemma at some point in our life in our relationships, whether it's with our close friends, our family, people we deal with on a daily basis, and even people we meet for the first time. So, the question I have for you is this: are you willing to explore what it would look like for you to change how this works? Are you willing to explore how to show up differently in those relationships? If your answer is yes, then I have some exciting news for you. I invite you to join me and Tara Villani on our upcoming workshop on October 11th at 11. Very simple. 11 October at 11. And I'm going to attach that link to the registration in the comment section below this video. And in this session, we'll be sharing some of the most powerful insights and alternative ways to communicate. And these techniques have the potential to create harmony, peacefulness, and more empowered interactions with your loved ones, your friends, the people you deal with on a daily basis, including our children. I genuinely believe that understanding and improving communication can truly transform our relationships. And we're excited to guide you on this journey for more meaningful connections. So, are you ready to unlock the power of communication and take your relationships to the next level? If that answer is yes, we hope to see you at our Conscious Communication Workshop on October 11th at 11. So save the date, mark your calendars, and embark in this transformative journey together. We're looking forward to meeting you. And remember that the workshop link for registration will be included below. Have a wonderful transformative day, and we hope to see you on October 11th at 11. Thank you.